Hi there, Carl here from cleanmyfloor.ie. We're on site today in Hanover Quay finishing a reset clean on a 4-year-old champagne oak floor. Why do they call it champagne? I don't know. Sounds nice, but that's what it's called. So what we've done is we've come in with our soft brush agitator and essentially used the detergent-free cleaning solution, not much of it, about 1 litre throughout the entire apartment, to essentially gently massage the detergents that have built up on this floor over the last 4 years. This room has been completely done, that's why we have the furniture over to this side, and we've got this lovely sateen finish restored. Beforehand the floor looked greasy from the detergents that were being used on it. You can see a clear delineation between the clean floor inside here and the floor out in the hallway that looks grubby. What you're looking at here is a screed of detergent and an emulsion of detergent oils and dirt that is clung to the floor. What we do then is we use our CRB. There's 2 brushes on this machine, and one rotates this way, one rotates that way, hence a contra-rotating brush system. And we massage the aforementioned cleaning agent into the floor. And then, if you want to follow me out, we use our rinse extraction machine to pull up the slurry, essentially leaving the floor completely clean, no residues left in it at all, and then we spec the client up with a mop system that will actually clean the floor properly and maintain it, because so many merchants of these floors recommend using detergents with them, and that is the wrong technology. It makes your floor dirtier over time, not cleaner. Thank you for watching the video.